In this video, we will learn step by step how to create a AI Prompt PT by Sell Marketplace website. On this website, different users can buy and sell their AI Prompt PT ideas. I will share with you the premium source code to create this website. Using this source code, you can easily create such a professional AI Prompt PT idea buy and sell marketplace website. You are getting a professional admin panel to manage this website. You can manage all the features and functionalities of the website through this admin panel. You can add many international automatic payment methods to your website. Customers on our website can buy and sell using these international automatic payment methods. We will also be able to use OpenAI's API on the website. Our website users can create different AI Prompt PTS according to their preferences using this API. Also, new users can easily log in and register on our website. So now let's log into the account as a user. Now you can see the dashboard of a user account. Now users can upload their ideas to AI Prompt PT. And customers can generate AI through this website. So let's now learn step by step how to create such a professional AI Prompt PT idea buying and selling website. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create AI Prompt PT by Sell Marketplace website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this, we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using AI Prompt PT, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this, we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish AI Prompt PT by Sell Marketplace website online. You can purchase high quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.3 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we will go to our source code folder. Then we will upload this zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we need to do purchase verification. For this we will submit the correct purchase code here. Then we need to enter our website name here. Now we need to submit the database information here. So now we will learn how to create a database in the hosting panel. Then we will learn how to connect the hosting panel database information to the website. For this, please follow this video completely step by step. Now we will click on the Submit or Next button. Wow, we have successfully installed this source code. Now our website is completely ready. Now we will log in to the admin panel. For this we must use the admin login information in the source code documentation. Then we must change the default login information for the security of our website. Now you can change all the features and functionalities of the admin panel step by step according to your requirements. You must add it to the OpenAI API website. You must study the important feature sections of this admin panel step by step. Or if you have any problems understanding the features section and functionalities of the admin panel, contact us and we will definitely help you. In this video we learn step by step how to create a Google Idea Buy and Sell website. If you have any questions about this video, please comment or contact us directly via WhatsApp and email. Thank you very much for watching this video completely. If you don't want to miss our next videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel.